Welcome to Vlogmas 2022. So excited about Vlogmas this year. I have a goal of bringing you a video every single day for the month of December. It may be a full length video or it may be a short, but stay tuned for the ride. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it with others, and stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got these bomb locks using two different types of locks from none other than Nubias Crown. Stay tuned. So Nubias Crown is a Black-owned business that sells these amazing pre-looped locks. Now you can crochet these locks in, but I like the individual look. I prefer the individual look myself, so you can rock these all different types of ways. So there are two different types of locks that they have. They have the classic locks that look like this, and then the queen lock that looks like this. So I combine both the queen and the classic lock for this look, and I'm absolutely obsessed. So I've done videos, which I'll link above, of just doing the classic or the queen lock and the classic lock. So I decide, why not mix them together? So the colors are a tad bit different, but I think it gives it some dimension and depth, and I absolutely love how it looks. So let me give you a quick 360. I'm gonna get right into this video. So I'm obsessed with these locks from Nubias Crowns. They are top tier quality. So I took some notes so I didn't forget some things. So again, these locks come in the classic look, and then the queen locks. They come individually and also in a 5-pack bundle. Each pack comes with 20 locks. For this style, I believe I have 50 locks in. It's like a half and half of the queen lock, half and half of the classic lock. So 20 come in a pack. The colors, so the classic lock comes in natural black in a 14-inch and a 20-inch. It also comes in ombre, which is the color that I have right now. So this is the classic ombre. Also comes in 14-inch and 20-inch, and then a burgundy ombre, which comes in 20-inch, which I think I'm going to try next. And then with the queen lock, it comes in a natural black and an 18-inch and 26-inch, ombre ash brown, which I have in the 18-inch and 26-inch, a deep maroon in 18 and 26-inch. I think I might try both of the maroons next. And then an ice blonde in 26-inch. Might have to try her out too. And then it also comes in gray in 18-inch. So the classic locks are $16 per pack, 20 come in a pack. And they also have a 5-pack bundle for $72. And then the queen lock comes in an individual pack for $17. Again, 20 pieces per pack. So let's get into styling and exactly how I got this look. Keep on watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about this style in the comment section below. If you would try this style with the 2 different types of locks and different colors. If you would try them, let me know. Again, I will link in the description box and up above where you can purchase these locks using my discount code MissTynishFlowers25. So make sure you check out this Black-owned business. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.